Learn Icelandic. I need equals.
Ég þarf.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey friend, this podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. For more lessons and freebies, visit www.synapse-lingo.com and keep the momentum going. Today you master the powerhouse phrase I need in Icelandic.
Ég þarf.
Buckle up, breathe, and get ready to make super clear requests with a smile. Your goal today.
Ég þarf.
You can do this. Say it out loud with me and own it. Goal. Use.
Ég þarf.
To ask for what you need in shops, cafes, and adventures. Think of the 3-beat rhythm. Egg, beat 1, arf, beat 2, beat 3. Pronunciation and rhythm. Let's train your mouth and your ear in under a minute. Say it slowly.
Ég þarf.
The letter sounds like the th in think. Clap the waltz. Egg, clap, arf, clap, clap. Now add an item.
Ég þarf vatn.
I need water. One more.
Ég þarf kaffi.
I need coffee. Emergency mode.
Ég þarf hjálp.
I need help. Mini dialogues you can steal. Repeat after me and imagine the scene. At a cafe. You.
Ég þarf kaffi.
Barista. Coming right up. At a pool desk. You.
Ég þarf handklæði.
Staff. Here you go. On a hike. You.
Ég þarf kort.
A map. Friend. I've got one. In the city. You.
Ég þarf vatn.
Local. Fountain over there. Emergency. You.
Ég þarf hjálp.
Helper. I'm here. Need versus want versus must. You're the boss, choose your force level. Direct necessity.
Ég þarf.
I need. Polite ask.
Get ég fengið.
Can I get? Availability check.
Áttu.
Do you have? Desire only.
Mig langar.
Or.
Ég vil.
I want. Stronger obligation.
Ég verð að.
I must. Negative.
Ég þarf ekki.
I don't need. Culture tip. Pools, towels, and kindness. Tiny phrase, big wins in Iceland. Icelanders appreciate clarity and warmth. Pair a smile with.
Ég þarf handklæði.
At the swimming pool, or.
Ég þarf klæðsögn.
If you need guidance, your friendly tone does half the work. Memory hacks that actually stick. Let's make your brain fall in love with this phrase. Rhyme it. If I starve, I say arf.
Ég þarf.
Gesture. Open your palm to ask, then trace 3 dots in the air while saying.
Ég þarf.
Mind palace. In your hallway, a neon sign flashes.
Ég þarf.
Above your keys. Music loop. Whisper the waltz. Egg, 1, arf, 2. 3. Quick quiz time. Answer out loud, no pressure, just play. Q1. What is Icelandic for I need? A.
Ég þarf.
Q2. Say I need water. A.
Ég þarf vatn.
Q3. How do you negate it? A.
Ég þarf ekki.
Q4. Choose the odd one out for necessity.
Ég þarf. Ég vil. Ég verð að. Get ég fengið.
A.
Ég vil.
Expresses want, not need. Story break. Reykjavik reality. Close your eyes and drop into the scene. At a cozy cafe near Hallgrímskirkja, you smile and say.
Ég þarf kaffi.
The barista nods. The smell of fresh bread drifts by and your brain adds, quietly.
Ég þarf brauð.
The rain starts. You grin.
Ég þarf regnhlíf.
And step out feeling like a polite, well-caffeinated language wizard. Challenge. Real-life practice. Let's lock it in with action. Stand up, step forward confidently, and say.
Ég þarf.
While pressing a hand to your chest to mark 1. Now fill the dots 3 times.
Ég þarf vatn. Ég þarf kort. Ég þarf tíma.
Bonus funny. Tell your phone you need Wi-Fi.
Ég þarf Wi-Fi.
And imagine it switching to Viking mode. Wrap up and next steps. You did great, keep the flame burning. Today you mastered I need, equals.
Ég þarf.
And used it with water, coffee, help, towels, and more. Thanks for listening with Synapse Lingo. Practice a mini mission today by ordering a drink with.
Ég þarf kaffi.
Come grab more resources, transcripts, and drills at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time, Language Hero.